Okay, now to cover this up, we're going to use some stainless steel mesh from, this is a tea strainer. And I got this one for really cheap at basically a Japanese version of the dollar store. And at one of our, you can find Japanese stores in any large city. We're just going to cut this to the dimensions of this. I'm not certain if I can take this little ring off. This little ring looks awfully handy for something else, so I'm going to try not to damage it and just cut around it. It's tougher than you think. Okay, and there we go. You are perfectly free, if you like, to make it a hell of a lot neater than I just made it. But if you've been following along my videos, I like, even though I enjoy having a sense of style at certain times, other times I really prefer the quick and dirty approach.